are at Hell's Gate National Park. You can see we are at Hell's Gate National Park, and you just take slow, just a slow walk. You can see the zebras walking, the zebras grazing. Yeah, you can see them. Now this is Hell's Gate. You can see the escarpments. You can see the rock. This is where you do rock climbing. And we are going deep and deep, deep and deep, deep. And very sunny today, but a little bit windy. And I like the climb, but after hiking Mount Kenya, I got a flu, the cold flu. So today I'm not in my best, so I cannot walk very fast. I'm going to show you the Buffalo Circuit Lodge, Buffalo Circuit, or Dubai campsite. This is it. That is Fisher's Tower. You can see it. You can see it. The Elsa Gate is at 1 kilometer. You can see it. You can see it. All of it. You can see it. This is where you do rock climbing. Rock climbing that is done here. You see? For Kenyans, you pay 1,000 shillings, and for non-citizens, you have to pay. You have to part with around $35. That is 3,500 Kenyan shillings. Yes, it's very high. It's very high. So after this, we are headed for the gorges. After we have done some rock climbing, we go ahead and do some gorgeous. We're just walking today. It's just an easy walk, easy walk. Thank you. Well, I have to go ahead and check whether there are some buffaloes ahead of us. And as we do that, guys, let me follow us on Facebook, Goodman Barbecue and Safaris. Follow us on Instagram, Google Map, everywhere in our social media. You'll find us, and we are going to give you the best. We do the safaris, we give land cruisers, land rovers, we have vans, we give logistics, we give logistics solutions. For this and more of this, you can follow us on Facebook, Goodman Barbecue and Safaris. You can follow us on Instagram and Google Map. You'll follow us there. You'll see our next hike, where it's gonna be. We have safaris like Masai Mara, Amboseli. We have Mount Kenya almost every month. Every month we do Mount Kenya. That's my best spot. I have a thing for that place. It's the best place to be, in a Land Rover, in a Land Cruiser. And guys, don't miss moving, but I have to look more and more, because we need to see the buffaloes. We need to see more animals. So we have to go ahead to go on and on. Expected, it's very quiet in every park, as long as they are not cruisers, vans moving up and down. And today it seems we are lucky, so the place is just cool. It's sunny and hot, but the breeze is amazing. The breeze is amazing. As expected, it's very quiet in every park, as long as they are not cruisers, vans moving up and down. And today it seems we are lucky, so the place is just cool. It's sunny and hot, but the breeze is amazing. The breeze is amazing. Yes, I like it. Since we cannot find the buffaloes, yes, we have to move on. to look for more fish. And we have Juma, African Buffalo Safari, is my friend also.
Hi.
Yes. And he also has his friends behind there. So we have to look for buffaloes and no animals. Finally, we have some there.
Video ama picha? Video. Sasa vipi amekuwa nataka kesha huko. Hii miti.
So now we are at we're going to the gorges. We are paying here and looking also for a guide. Nowadays you cannot go alone. You're not alone. You have to be accompanied by a guide. So we are going to gorges, Hellsgate, gorges. We are going to visit the devil's bedroom. We are going to visit so many weird places, and I like this. It's turning a dream. Can't miss this. We are on the move. Buffalo. And the stone? Obsidian stone.
Then this is Puma.
And giraffe, maybe?
It's not for giraffe, maybe.
Oh, yeah, that's...
It's part of the leg. That is the rib of a giraffe. No. Impala. This is for the grand gazelle. They're quite similar, but this one is the long horn compared to the grand gazelle. In this park, we only have herbivores. We don't have any carnivores. So no eating.
No cheetah, leopard.
No, that's why people are allowed to cycle and to walk. Okay.
So now we are on the move. See you at the destination.
In the outlet. Maji ndio za kunywa. Mbaya.
We are now here. You have to be careful. You have to watch your steps. You move. You jump. Good jump. And that's the gorge. You can hear the water dripping. Whew. That's it. Whew.
As much as you go in Bonaro, after the wall.
So we have here we are thinking of going to Longhorn to become becomes narrow and narrow and narrow and narrow. Hata ka video nataka nikutumie. Nataka nikutumie ka video.
Awe chukua tu picha. Unajua mimi upenda ni kwa ile kamera.
Welcome to Hell's Gate. This is it. It's very narrow. You can see it. You can see it. When floods come, you cannot run. You're there. And you have a little talk with Jesus, and you'll be okay. Yes. Now this is hell. This is Hell's Gate. One of the wonders in Kenya. Hell's Gate National Park. There's a small cave. That one. A safe exit. Oh. Now we are at Devil's bedroom. That's it. That's it. That's it. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Devil's bedroom. Now here we have, can you see the mist? Can you see the mist? We have 100 degrees Celsius, yes? It's very hot. Very hot. We are now back and well, I feel tired. You can see the view from where we're sitting. There's a cure shop behind me. There is a small hotel. You can get soda, baridi. And yeah, so today I'm really tired. I don't feel like myself. Like I said, I was going down with the flu, but I've done it. We've made it. We've gone through the gorges and now we are back. Well, finally there they are. You can see them from far, but it's like a tiny thing, but it's buffaloes. Buffaloes, yes. We are now going for boat safari. We are now on the boat, doing the boat ride 1 hour to the Crescent Island. Cormorant. Cormorant. Oh. Pelican and cormorant. Then the small one.
And ini glass. Alam ako na si Clifford ako sa ribla board. Ano na punta pa po? Oh, this is Samsung? Okay. Okay. Jay.